Alright, Jam and JD Sports Cards bringing you a quick box break recap. This is for the 2013 Triple Threads and 2012 Panini Playbook Mixer. Here's everybody in that break. Again, this is just the recap. If you want to watch the full video, you can find that on our Ustream channel. Alright. First card, Brandon Whedon. Going to the Browns, Keith B. Nice Deion Sanders going to the Falcons, Anna Marie. Michael Vick going to the Eagles, Bethany. And we had LaShawn McCoy, Eagles again, going to Bethany. Percy Harvin for the Seahawks, going to Daniel B. Tom Brady for the Patriots, going to John S. Vernon Davis, number to 320, going to the Niners, Eric A. Then we had a Jerry Rice going to the Niners, again to 320, going to Eric A. Darren Sproles to 170 for those Saints, and that is going to John S. And a Percy to 99 for the Seahawks. That is going to Daniel B. Our first hit was another Seahawk for Daniel B. Numbered 74 out of 75. Next was a sweet Julius Peppers going to the Bears, Sean W. Number 23 of 36. We had a beautiful patch, Joseph Randall for those Cowboys. Going to Meg DM. That's 18 of 70. And a Matt Barkley, 99 out of 99. Going to Bethany. And for Playbook, our first hit was Vic Ballard for the Colts. That's going to Frank B. Oh, and that was numbered 049 out of 140. And then we had Bobby Rainey for the Ravens. Numbered 02 of 49, going to Troy C. And our first booklet, we got two, was A.J. Jenkins going to the Niners. And that was Eric A. Very cool. Numbered 185 out of 199. And our auto booklet was a Brian Quick, 113 of 149, going to the Rams, Andy L. And it is a very nice patch. Sweet card. Alright, so there you go. It's a cool break. Follow us at Jam and JD Cards on Twitter, and if you want to get in on our breaks, we're doing them every Friday right now. And get a spot, you can go to www.jamandjdcards.com.